Hello, beautiful soul. Lori here, and I am wildly excited about my new monthly membership, the Wild Heart One Circle, where we are going to be creating profound, exquisite, sacred space to harness the power of the energies that are continually fluctuating around us and through us together. Yes! Welcome to your new alignment accountability. Boop! We're going to be moving into embodied ascension, dynamic motion, energy calibration, soul integration, cosmic support, meditation guidance, intuitive channeled messages. Come on. The evolution is underway. Let's jump. Let's do this. 2 to 4 live calls a month with bonus energy portal activation events. Check out the link for more information and how to register. Let me know if you have questions. Let's get this spiritual party started. I'll see you there. Mwah.